the only trick. When you have division rule in the case of double derivative, then we avoid it. Okay, we avoid it and we get the answer. Now I am giving to you one question. I am giving to you. Okay, the question is, start please. The question is y equals to 4 cos log x, 4 cos log x plus 5 sin log x is equals to double derivative. This is to prove double derivative x square into double derivative plus x into dy by dx plus y is equals to 0. That is 4 cos log x plus 5 sin log x, to prove that x square double derivative plus x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Please start this question. उसके बाद हम एक स्टेप ऊपर लेंगे. ओके, बट फर्स्ट यू स्टार्ट दिस क्वेश्चन and reply to me. Who give the fastest answer, please? Question paper aayega. They have 20 questions. The one is asking how many questions in paper. That is 20 questions. Each question is 2 marks. To start this question, please start this question and give the answer to me. Which class give the fastest answer? Please start, because this is very important. When you cooperate me, then the class are only successful. Okay, so you start the question. This is the practice based questions. You do more practice and more perfection. Y equal to cos 4 cos log x plus 5 sin log x. Okay, अदरवाइज मुझे नाम लेने पड़ेंगे बच्चों के, है ना. यू रिप्लाई फास्ट. ओके, प्रियांशु गुप्ता, दे गिवन द आंसर. यस, गुड बेटा, बिल्कुल सही किया है. ओके, वन स्टूडेंट of again 12C class, they given answer. Radhika, they given answer. Good बेटा. देखो ये ऑलरेडी हमने कल किया था. Therefore we given this question. This is very important sum. NCERT का क्वेश्चन है. Y equal to 4 cos log x plus 5 sin log x, and the answer is given x squared double derivative. Now this is a homework. जिन बच्चों ने कर लिया, good, very good. Okay, now we start the third sum. आज हम ट्रिक नंबर 1 की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे पहले, and trick number 2 का मैं आपको आइडिया दे दूंगा. But this is trick number 1. When we change the division rule into product rule, this is the main concept of this question. देखो, this is again y equal to sine of sin x. The question y equal to sine of sin x. The question is to prove, one minute, sorry, question change कर लेते हैं. Tan inverse x whole square, and the question is 1 minus x square into double derivative minus x dy by dx minus 2, that is equals to 0. देखो, this is again the question of double derivative. It is again the question of double derivative. Okay, and they say something to prove. फिर से वही सेम चीज है. They want to prove something. तो देखो, this is y equal to tan inverse x whole square. We are using PTA rule, power term angle. That is a chain rule here. Y equal to tan inverse x whole square. We have a chain rule. So how we apply chain rule? That is dy by dx. First we differentiate the power. The power is 2 tan inverse x raised to power 2 minus 1. This is the power. We differentiate first, we differentiate power, then term. What is the term? Tan inverse x. Tan inverse x derivative is 1 upon 1 plus x square. The derivative of tan inverse x. What we get dy by dx? Dy by dx is 2 upon tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. This is the derivative of this. Now the question is that he says to prove something. So when in double derivative we have the question of to prove, then we always avoid division rule. We are not never apply division rule, because if you apply division rule here, then complications are बहुत ज़्यादा complications हो जाएंगी और answers आएगा ही नहीं. Okay, then we start this way. We convert this division rule into product rule. Okay, this division rule we convert into product rule. Then we start the definition of this. Okay, we start the definition of this, but first we convert this division rule into product rule. Now what we do here, they behave like two numbers. This is the first number, this is the second number. This is first term, this is second term. So first we differentiate first term, that is 1 plus x square. Then we start the derivative of this. This is d2y over dx2 plus 1 plus x square as it is. Sorry, 1 plus x square derivative is 2x into dy by dx. ठीक है, देखो दोबारा से देखो 1 plus x square as it is, the differentiation of this is double derivative plus 1 is 0, the differentiation of x square is 2x into dy by dx equals to 2 tan inverse x. We have 2 tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x, the derivative is again same 2 upon 1 plus x square. देखो only trick is that we avoid division rule, otherwise nothing is new, everything is same. The product rule, division rule, everything is same. Now this 1 plus x square is multiplied this side and we get the answer 1 plus x square whole square into double derivative plus 2x into 1 plus x square dy by dx. Okay, we cross multiply and we get the answer. 1 minute, two clues का मैंने different ले लिया है, sorry. 1 plus x square minus 2 equal to 0. This is the to prove. This is the answer. Tan inverse x whole square. This is the answer. 1 minute. Okay, this is the answer of this. Now you start your question. Y equals to थोड़ा सा difficult है आपके लिए. ये क्वेश्चन, ये आंसर इस क्वेश्चन का था. Sorry. Y equals to sin inverse x whole square. Please देखते हैं कौन बच्चा कर पाता है. Y equal to, this is small difficult question. There's something to prove. 1 minus x square double derivative minus x dy by dx minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, now you do yourself. ठीक है, sin inverse x whole square. Please try, please try. ठीक है, मैं इसका आंसर निकालूंगा. This is my humble request. Please try. ठीक है, आपको ट्राई करना चाहिए. dy by dx of sin inverse x is under root 1 minus x square. This is the formula of sin inverse x. Please try sin inverse x whole square. The answer is 1 minus x square into double derivative minus x dy by dx minus 2 equal to 0. देखो जब तक आप ट्राई नहीं करोगे, you never get the answer. आप ट्राई करोगे, then you get the answer. Please try. Okay, I give 5 minutes. I'm giving 5 minutes to you, and you try, please. Sin inverse x whole square, 1 minus x square double derivative. The same trick we follow here. The same trick we follow here. We apply PTA rule. Only the difference is that I'm doing tan inverse x. मैंने tan inverse x किया है, you have sin inverse x. Only is the difference. Okay, now announce the student name of 4 student here. उन्हीं 4 को reply करना है. If they not reply, then inform the class teacher. Then I inform the class teacher. Yes, Priyanshu ने किया है, but little mistake. Priyanshu कर चुकी है. Yes, Sitara. Yes, good बेटा. Sitara and Priyanshu, they given answer. Please try. After 2 minutes, I'm taking a name of student and that student reply to me. Yes, Riya is also done. Good Riya. घूमने के अलावा ये काम भी करती है रिया. Good बेटा. Siddhant is also done. Yes, good Siddhant. Oh, so many students are replying now. Sitara is also given the answer. Good Sitara. Yes, Yash. Good beta, good. 15 answers we got. Okay, Aishwarya of 12C, they also done. Yes, good beta. Good. Now I take a name of one student. Please reply. Okay, if you not, अगर आपसे नहीं हुआ है, then you also reply to me. Okay, if you done, that's very good. But if you not done, then you again reply me. Sir, this is the problem we're facing. Okay, you again reply to me. आई एम टेकिंग ए नेम ऑफ सम स्टूडेंट, ठीक है। उत्तम अग्रवाल प्लीज, आपने क्लास नहीं लिखी हुई है, टेकिंग नेम ऑफ सम स्टूडेंट। Yes, Mansi of 12th E, 11368 roll number. Please reply. If you done, then that's good. If you not reply, I inform to your class teacher. Yes, Ashish of 12th E. Yes, good beta. So many students reply to me. This is good. अच्छे बच्चे हैं हमारे स्कूल में, सारे अच्छे हैं, बट ये थोड़े और अच्छे हैं। One student replied to me 11962. They are not given number name. Yes, Mansi of 12th E class. Please reply. Yes, Varun of 12th A class. Please reply. I am taking full name of the full student. Yes, Dipesh, given the answer. Good beta. Harshul of 12D. Yes, good, good, good. Manya, given the answer. Okay, now I start this question because अभी time waste होगा। देखो जिन बच्चों से हुआ गुड और जिनसे नहीं हुआ वो बोर्ड पे देखेंगे ना, ठीक है, बोर्ड पे देखेंगे वो। दिस इज साइन इनवर्स x होल स्क्वायर, द सेम थिंग वी डू हियर, that is dy by dx is sin inverse x whole square is, we apply PTA rule to sin inverse x is to power 2 minus 1, then we start our definition of sin inverse x, that is 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. Okay, we start the definition of sin inverse x, we are applying PTA rule, power term then their angle. Okay, we apply power term the angle, then we cross multiply it, that is under root 1 minus x square into dy by dx to sin inverse x. We already discussed, you always convert division rule into product rule. We always convert the division rule into product rule. Now these are the two numbers. They behave like two numbers. This is the first term, this is the second term. Now the first term is as it is. The differentiation of second term is double derivative. Okay, the differentiation of dy by dx is double derivative plus under root 1 minus x square. देखो under root 1 minus x square means this is 1 minus x square to the power half. This is 1 minus x square to the power half. Then how we differentiate it is power term angle half 1 minus x square raised to power minus half. Then differentiation of this is minus 2x. देखो under root 1 minus x square can be written as 1 minus x square to the power half. So the final answer is minus 2x divided by 2 under root 1 minus x square. Then dy by dx is as it is equals to 2 sin inverse x. 2 sin inverse x is under root 1 minus x square. Now we cross multiply under root 1 minus x square and we get the answer. ठीक है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई मींस वी टेकिंग एलसीएम। मैंने इसमें एलसीएम ले लिया या अंडर रूट 1 माइनस x स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, ठीक है, जो भी आप समझ सकते हो। दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर। Okay, this is 1 minus x square into double derivative minus x dy by dx equals to 2. This is the final answer. Okay, now I'm given again a question. This is very important. इसको कॉपी कर लीजिए। जिन बच्चों ने कर लिया है गुड, बट जिन्होंने किया प्लीज कॉपी इट। दिस इज डबल डेरिवेटिव आफ्टर ऑलरेडी आई से आफ्टर लॉगरिथम डिफरेंशिएशन डबल डेरिवेटिव इज, ये एवरी ईयर डबल डेरिवेटिव आ जाता है, ठीक है। दिस इज द अगेन ये क्वेश्चन मैं करूंगा। ओके, दिस इज अ न्यू क्वेश्चन। दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3rd। इफ यू हैव y इक्वल टू x टू द पावर x, ठीक है, द क्वेश्चन इज सेम, डबल डेरिवेटिव minus 1 upon y into dy by dx whole square minus y by x equal to 0. This is the again question, y equal to x to the power x. The answer is double derivative minus 1 by y dy by dx whole square minus y by x. Okay, अब आपको ऑलरेडी दिख ही गया होगा, दिस इज द पावर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x. वी हैव पावर in the form of x. Okay, then what we do here, we are taking the log first with the question of log. The question of log, तो हमें log apply करना पड़ेगा because we have power in the form of x, so we apply log both the side. Okay, we apply log both the side. This is log y, this is log y, we are applying log both the side. This is log y equals to log x to the power x. Now this is log y. We're taking x this side, so this is x log x. This is x log x. Okay, now we're applying differentiation. Because the question is that this is a question of double derivative, but the original question is y equal to x to the power x. So when you have power in the form of x, then we always apply log. This is already discussed in 5.5 exercise. Okay, now we start the differentiation of this. Log y is 1 upon y into dy by dx. The differentiation of log y is 1 upon y into dy by dx. Okay. On Monday class, we revise all the things. So please, Monday class में जरूर आना. We all revise all the differentiation. What we do till today, हम सब उसको revise करेंगे. दोबारा from initial position we revise again. Then we start the new topic. So that is x log x is 1 into log x. We are using product rule here. Then x as it is, the differentiation of log x is 1 by x. This x is cancelled with x. We have 1 by y dy by dx equals to log x plus 1. This is the answer. Okay. Now we use, this is a simple question, it's a double derivative question. ठीक है. अब कुछ डिवीजन रूल तो आपके पास आया नहीं है. डिवीजन, you are not having division rule. So directly you start it. If you want to cross multiply y, तो cross multiply कर सकते हो. There is no problem. ठीक है. But in the answer we have 1 by y. तो इसलिए मैं इसको cross multiply नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Okay. Now we take this the first term, this the second term, then we start the differentiation. 1 by y as it is, then the differentiation of this is double derivative plus the 1 upon y. How we differentiate 1 upon y? 1 upon y means y to the power minus 1. And you differentiate in this way n x n minus 1, that is minus 2. Then the differentiation of this is minus 1 by y square. Because you differentiate y, therefore you write dy by dx. Already 1 dy by dx is there. ठीक है, तो वो डबल होल इसका रहेगा. This dy by dx is due to 1 upon y. The differentiation of 1 upon y is minus 1 upon y square into dy by dx. Why into dy by dx? Because we have differentiation of, we differentiate y. Because if we differentiate y, then we write dy by dx. Okay, that equals to the differentiation of log x is 1 upon x plus 1 is 0. Now if you multiply y to both the equation, both the side, and you get the answer. If you multiply whole equation by y, if you multiply whole equation by y, multiply by y, and you get this answer. Okay, please copy down this question. इसको आप copy करो. Then we start the second question. I'm giving to second question. Please को copy कर लो. Because these are the very important sum. The question of double derivative. After that, we start the second trick in double derivative. We start the second trick in double derivative. But before that, I'm giving again a question. ठीक है, मैं उसके पहले आपको दो question दे रहा हूँ. The one is for 12th A, 12th science section, and one for the commerce section. ठीक है, अब देखते हैं कौन सा section ज़्यादा अच्छा reply करता है. This is for commerce section. The second one is from science section. Then for commerce section, we have y equal to sine log x. Sine log x. And this question is homework for science section. X square double derivative minus plus x dy by dx, x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. And for sine section we have e to the power tan inverse x, e to the power tan inverse x, and the question to prove is 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square into y2 plus 2x minus 1 into y1 is equal to 0. Okay, these are the two questions. The first question done by science section, and for commerce it is homework, and second question done by commerce section, and first question is homework. So please, when we say commerce section is replied, so only commerce section is replied. Okay, please start this one. Anybody not in the class group, अगर class group में नहीं है, then take date sheet, because date sheet already in class group. The first question is for science section. So please, science section, reply to me. Science section class, start replying to me. Science section class. Yes, Ria give the answer, but Ria is for commerce section. Yes, Ria, good beta. Hardik Jain of 12th, they also replied. Good beta, good. Yes. 32 student give the answer. 32 student answer दे चुके हैं. Please, remaining class also give the answer. It is an open question for all the comment section, and only 32 reply. Yes, Dipesh, 12 seed. Name cannot be possible to announce here because 38 students अब तक आंसर दे चुके हैं. 38 students they given the answer. Please reply fast. This is first and second question. That is a homework question. Okay, the first question is homework for commerce, and the second question is homework for science. Yes, Palak. Palak reply continuously करती है. In every class, Palak give the answer. Yes, clapping for Palak. 12D class. Yes, Manan of 12D. Yes, good beta, good. 48 reply आ चुके हैं. Please, 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 fast. ठीक है. When you reply to me, तो मुझे भी एक उससे motivation मिलता है ना? I am also happy कि students सुन रहे हैं. Good, good, good. Yes. Amit of 12th. This is a first timer. Good beta, good. Yes, Gurjot continuously replying. Good beta. 52 reply आ चुके हैं. Good, good number. Okay, that's okay. Now we start the second trick. Please, अब आप screen देखो. Now you see your screen. This is the second trick, and second trick is very, 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 very important. ये every year board में आ जाती है. The second trick every year they comes in board. ठीक है. Second trick is the most important trick. ये सबसे important trick है and सबसे important question है ये. ठीक है. Of differentiation. जैसे अगर suppose कोई किसी बच्चे से favorite dish पूछो तो राजमा चावल या चने चावल बताता है. ऐसी सेम थिंग इज विद दिस क्वेश्चन. ये क्वेश्चन एवरी स्कूल्स में आता है एंड एवरी टाइम इट इज इन बोर्ड. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस इज सेकंड ट्रिक. ओके, दिस यू मेक ए स्टार ऑन इट. दिस इज थर्ड या फोर्थ स्टार मार्क क्वेश्चन. ये फोर्थ स्टार मार्क क्वेश्चन है. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, तो प्लीज नोट डाउन दिस. दिस इज सेकंड ट्रिक. ये वो क्वेश्चन इसमें हर बच्चा मिस्टेक करता है. ओके, एवरी स्टूडेंट डू ए मिस्टेक. जब फर्स्ट टाइम ये आता है तो उसमें हर बच्चा मिस्टेक करता है. This is the double derivative question. Okay, he says originally it is a parametric form, but he says find double derivative. So please see very carefully to this question. This is now fourth question of star mark. मैं आपको सारे 15 क्वेश्चन स्टार मार्क मंडे या ट्यूसडे वाली क्लास में कराऊंगा. ठीक है, I give 15 क्वेश्चन to your WhatsApp group and then we start discuss that 15 question. So this is y equal to a theta plus cos theta, x equal to a 1 minus sin theta, and he says find double derivative. It is second trick. We have four tricks in double derivative. Now we start second trick. Okay, second trick के questions to prove वाले थोड़े अच्छे होते हैं. But we start first. This is original trick, the basic trick. So for, in what we do in parametric form, we find first of all dy by d theta. We are finding dy by d theta. Now what is dy by d theta? A, the derivative of theta is 1. Then the derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Okay, the derivative of 1 theta is 1. Then the differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Then dx by d theta. The dx by d theta is a. The differentiation of 1 is 0. The differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. Now he says find double derivative. So before double derivative, find first dy by dx. So what is dy by dx? dy by dx we divide both the number. dy by dx में हमें दोनों नंबर्स डिवाइड करनी होती है. तो dy by d theta dividing by dx by d theta, we have dy by d theta is a into 1 minus sin theta. Then dx by theta a minus a cos theta. This a is cancelled with this a. So we have this is dy by dx. Okay. अब मैं एक मिस्टेक करने जा रहा हूँ. एंड यू देखते कौन बच्चा वो मिस्टेक पकड़ेगा. नाउ मैं एक मिस्टेक कर रहा हूँ. अब दिस इज dy by dx is 1 minus sin theta minus 1. We are taking minus sign common. Sin theta minus 1 upon cos theta. ठीक है, अब देखो मैं एक मिस्टेक करने जा रहा हूँ. ओके, नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज दैट फाइंड डबल डेरिवेटिव. He said find double derivative. So we have a division rule because we apply division rule here because nothing to prove. मैंने आपको कहा था when the proof is given then we avoid division rule. But here is nothing to prove. Okay, they only say find double derivative. So for double derivative we apply directly division rule. We can apply for double derivative. We can apply division rule. That is cos theta whole square. Cos theta is as it is. The differentiation of sin theta is cos theta minus 1 is 0. Now the sine theta minus 1 as it is, the definition of cos theta is minus sine theta. So minus sine theta means this way. Okay. Now open the bracket, that is cos square theta minus minus plus sine square theta minus sine theta upon 1 minus cos theta whole square. Sorry, only cos theta whole square. So this is 1 minus sine theta upon cos square theta. This cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta. 1 minus sine theta is cancelled with this, and the final answer is double derivative is 1 upon 1 plus sine theta. Okay. अब बहुत केयरफुल इसको देखो. We already did a mistake. मैं एक मिस्टेक कर चुका हूं. बट आप बहुत ध्यान से देखो. देन आप मुझे बताना what mistake we did here. ठीक है. The question, original question is y equal to a theta plus cos theta, and the question is x equal to a 1 minus cos theta. Then he says find double derivative. He says find double derivative. Then first we find dy by d theta. That is simple. Okay, good. 4 students reply me. What is the mistake here? Yes, good. One is Dhruv Kejriwal. Okay, the second one is Siddhant. उन्होंने mistake पकड़ ली है. Good बेटा. Good, good, good. And one is from 12th A. Ashmi. They also. Yes, good बेटा. Good, 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 good. One is Ayushi of 12th C. They also उसने भी mistake पकड़ ली है. Yes, good. देखो ये कॉमन मिस्टेक है जो हम बच्चे करते हैं. ठीक है, कॉमन मिस्टेक है जो हम इसमें करते हैं. He says y is a theta plus cos theta, then we differentiate dy by d theta, then we find dx by d theta. For dy by dx we divide both the number and we get 1 minus sin theta upon minus cos theta. We take minus sign common and we cancel out it. For double derivative we use division rule. Cos theta whole square, cos theta as it is. The sin theta minus 1 differentiation is simple. That is sin theta I have definition is cos theta, then simple division rule. अब मैंने इसमें मिस्टेक कहाँ की है? देखो मिस्टेक मैंने इसमें की है. This is the dy by dx. Now you are differentiate with respect to x, okay? And x is not here. X is not here. Sin theta minus 1 upon cos theta, that is not a x. So it is a constant. But theta is indirectly related to x. So this theta is not completely a constant. It is a parameter. So we cannot find double derivative because at the case of double derivative, we are differentiate with respect to theta. So how we differentiate with respect to theta? Because here तो x है, theta तो है ही नहीं. Then what we do here? देखो बहुत ध्यान से देखना मैं इसमें क्या करता हूँ. ये steps लिखने जरूरी नहीं होते जो मैं show करके दिखा रहा हूँ. We start the differentiation of this. The meaning we differentiate with respect to x. So that means this is d by dx into sin theta minus 1 upon cos theta. But x is not here. So we cannot differentiate with respect to x here. Okay, हम उसको x के respect to differentiate नहीं कर सकते because theta is there. Sin theta minus 1 upon cos theta, that is not x here. So how we can differentiate with respect to x? Okay, so on the next step we want to we apply d by d theta. देखो we replace x with theta. Then sin theta minus 1 upon cos theta. And for that we multiply d theta by dx. Again you see. देखो this is the ये एक डिटेल्स की है स्टेप की. बट व्हेन वी डिफरेंशिएट इन क्वेश्चन तो ये स्टेप हम नहीं लिखेंगे. ओके, देखो इन डबल डेरिवेटिव वी आर डिफरेंशिएशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. With respect to x, this is not possible right side because we are not x. We are not having any x term here. We have only theta. That means we can only differentiate with respect to theta. But we start the differential with respect to x. That is not possible. So we replace this x with theta. We are replacing dx with d theta. And we multiply d theta by dx. We are multiplying with the d theta by dx. D theta is cancelled with d theta. But what is the benefit? Now this is the benefit. Now we can differentiate with respect to theta. तो मैं इसके respect में कर सकता हूँ. Then what we get? This is 2 d theta by dx. So generally when we start this step, when generally we apply this step in the question, so just the same as y. When we differentiate y, you write dy by dx. Similarly here, if you differentiate theta, then write d theta by dx with them. Okay, this is a new thing in practice. Never write this step. We write directly when we differentiate double derivative with respect to theta. Okay, when we differentiate with respect to x, then we write d theta by dx. Similarly, the new thing is that if you differentiate theta with respect to x, then साथ में आपको d theta by dx लिखना होगा. Okay, you write only d theta by dx. You only write d theta by dx, and the values of d theta by dx is already we have. That is 1 upon minus a cos theta. Okay, So please note down this all thing. We do again a question of trick number 2. Trick number 2 का एक question मैं फिर से करता हूँ. So in trick number 2 what we do, he says find double derivative, but the problem is that at the time of double derivative the right side have not having x. Okay, तो हम उसको थीटा के ही रिस्पेक्ट में कर सकते हैं. तो we differentiate again this, but we write d theta by dx. Only the new thing is that we write d theta by dx in into. Okay, so please copy down this. We do again a question of type number 2. Then we give 5 question to homework to you. ठीक है, of based on type 2. Please copy down this question. इसको copy करो. Please copy to this question. One student saying, please repeat, sir. Okay, again we repeat it. No problem. Aishwarya of 12C saying, repeat, sir. So please, if you ask the doubts from me to me, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. You can ask doubt through the WhatsApp, because some limitation of online classes, you can only communicate with me through network, or this the WhatsApp is the medium, or email to me for doubts. Okay, then one question again we repeat of this type. Okay, मैं एक question और कर रहा हूँ इस type का. So you see please type number 2. We again repeat this with number 2. Because now this time we are taking small question. X equal to 80 square, y equals to 280, and it says find double derivative. Okay, then you find dx by dt. First you find dx by dt. We differentiate with respect to t. Then differentiation of 80 square is 280. Then we differentiate y, that is dy by dt. Dy by dt is 2a. Now the question is find double derivative, because question is that find the double derivative, find the values of double derivative. So first we find dx by dt, then dy by dt, and then we find dy by dx. For dy by dx, we are dividing both the number dy by dt dividing by dx by dt. So what is dy by dt? That is 2a. What is 2 dx by dt? 2a by t. So 2a cancel with 2. Then dy by dx we have 1 upon t. The same problem is here. When you start the double derivative, जब इसका आप डबल डेरिवेटिव निकालोगे तो ऑन द राइट साइड x इज मिसिंग. ओके, देन ये जो तीन स्टेप है ये लिखने जरूरी नहीं होते हैं. यू कैन राइट डायरेक्टली दिस स्टेप. ओके, बट वी आर राइटिंग दिस स्टेप 3 स्टेप. You differentiate both the side with respect to x. You start the differentiation with respect to x. That is not possible on the right side because x is not here. So this the sign is double derivative. Now we will convert this dx as dt and we multiply into dt by dx. But ये step आपको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can write directly this step. You can write directly this step. यानी कि you can learn, you can remember this thing. As in implicit form, when you differentiate y, तब आप साथ में dy by dx लिखते थे. The same thing is here. Okay, you differentiate 1 by t with respect to x. 1 by t means t to the power -1, -1, -2. यानी कि -1 by t square. But you are differentiate t, therefore you write dt by dx. This is only new thing. Okay, the only new thing when you start the double derivative in parametric form, then you write dt by dx or d by dx. That is depending upon the parameter. If it is t, then write dt by dx. If it is theta, then write d by dx. Now you put the values of dt by dx. What is the values of dt by dx? 1 by 280. So this is double derivative on the right side. We can put the values here. That is dx by dt is 1 by 280. So this is the final answer. Okay. Again, see, first we find dx by dt, then we find dy by dt. Okay. Then after that we find dy by dx. Now one problem we face, right side t is x is missing. Okay, you have only 1 by t. So at the time of double derivative, you differentiate both the sides with respect to x, but the right side not having x. Okay, but t is a parameter. Parameter means the number which is indirectly related to x and y. That is called parameter. So you cannot differentiate with respect to x. आप उसको x के respect में नहीं कर सकते हो. So this is the way when you differentiate with respect to x. Okay, now I'm not having theta or t that right side. But ये step आपको एग्जाम में लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can rightly write this step. You differentiate double derivative. You differentiate left and right side both the side with the help of the x with respect to x. But on the right side you write dt by dx and you get the values. Okay. अब आप प्लीज एक क्वेश्चन मुझे करके दिखाओगे. You start this question बहुत सिंपल है, प्लीज करो। x is equal to a sin theta, y is equal to a cos theta and find double derivative here. आप इसका डबल डेरिवेटिव निकाल के दिखाओ। This the question and find double derivative. Please do this question. Please, please, please. देखो, this is a humble request. Please start this question and मुझे answers भेजो। देखो, this is only possible, online classes are only possible when you cooperate to us. ठीक है? जब तक आप नहीं हमें cooperate करोगे, then that's a problem. This is calculus. I already said कि calculus is only based on your practice. आप कितनी practice करोगे, that is the only important thing. School is equally important. Okay. X equal to a sin theta, y equal to a cos theta, and the question is find double derivative. Please reply. Time finish होने वाला है. Only 2 minutes are left in the class. So please reply. Yes, Ayushi of 12C class. They reply. Okay, good beta. And they given right answer. Yes, clapping for Aishwarya. 12C. Clapping सुनाई नहीं आ रही है भाई. Dipesh also replied. Yes, good beta. Good, good, good. Riya also replied. Dhruv Kejri also replied. Yes. बेटा दिस द कैलकुलस, आप ये बात श्योर रखो, ठीक है, कि द पेपर कम्स ओनली फ्रॉम रजिस्टर एंड एनसीईआरटी। तो टुडे पजल एंड टुडे क्वेश्चन आई एम गिविंग यू, ठीक है, दिस आर टुडे पजल एंड टुडे question. This time question is tough and puzzle is easy. Okay, yesterday class the puzzle is tough but question is easy. देखो, this is the question, 1 by n y raised to power minus 1 by n equals to 2x. You can take n any number. You can take n 5, 2020, 2021, जो भी आप लेना चाहो n ले सकते हो, ठीक है। I am giving n, but if you take 1 upon 2000 या 1 upon 5 तो क्वेश्चन देखने में और अच्छा हो जाएगा, है ना। But this time only we take, and the question is to prove x square minus 1 into double derivative. आज मैं आपको स्पेशल प्राइस बता देता हूँ। आई गिव 100 रुपीज पेटीएम टू दैट स्टूडेंट जो ये क्वेश्चन करेंगे, है ना, प्लीज। बट टाइम लिमिट इज टिल 7 o'clock. So this is the first question and I am giving puzzle, today puzzle, and then class is over. Okay, today puzzle is the question. Again you see y equal to 1 by n, y to the power 1 by n plus y to the power minus 1 by n equals to 2x. And today puzzle is again a question of maths. 357 raised to power 91. What is the last two digit in this number? If you open it, then what is the last two digit here? The unit place and 10 place. What is the number on comes on the unit place and 10 plus? If you add 357 to the power 91. So this is a question and the second one is puzzle. Okay. Yes, Rekha ma'am. Rekha ma'am.